Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust column height in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now I will make this column and this column same size. Firstly I will check this column size, click right button, now select this size column and this column size 121 and click this columns and click right button, this size and now type here 121. Now select OK and see this. These two columns are now same size. And I will make this column and this column same size. And dragging your mouse, select two columns and click right button and resize columns and make these two columns 100 and select OK and see this. These two columns are now same size. In this way you can make a specific columns and multiple columns or whole columns same size. Drag your mouse and select right button and resize and type here your column height. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.